So I noticed when I was doing the dive here next to the casino out at Avalon and Catalina Island, right in the building itself at the base floor is the Historical Diving Society Museum. It's a small museum, but it's definitely worth your time if you happen to come out to the casino area. It's right at the base of the casino on the right-hand side. You can walk up to it, admission's free, and it's a really neat place. So come on along as I pop in there and take a look. All right, so here at this dive locker here, and this is run by a gentleman named John Council, and it has some phenomenal exhibits in here. Little horse collar BC, little Churchill fins, double hose regulators. Got a fantastic collection of double hose regulators here. Not to report on, so hardly anybody knows about the Empress of Ireland. Everybody knows. And all the different masks over the years, Jack Brown masks, so cool. The old Voight mask, I had one of these as a kid. Scott Aviation masks, yeah, a lot of the old aviation stuff was retrofitted for maritime use. Of course, it had to be modified because it didn't work well with seawater. But yeah, the history alone on this is just fantastic. Yeah, and again, like so much of this stuff was retrofitted from aviation as well as fire department stuff. That, and they would forge parts and pieces and create their own dive gear back in the day, and that's what this represents.
Oh, he's jumping in? Oh no, underwater.
They're filming underwater.
Look at the size of that camera too, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's huge. Yeah. Imagine trying to waterproof that thing.
Yeah.
Good luck.
It looks like a car engine.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
That's a good mustache right there. That's a good stash.
There you go.
Oh, yeah.
Before Tom Selleck too. Yeah. All right, this is awesome.
If you guys look right there on to the
You actually
right,
see these rigs. Again, this represents an evolution in scuba diving, in civilian scuba diving, just amazing.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Here's this picture.
1930s.
Wow.
Homemade dive helmets.
Oh no.
Made from water heater tanks.
And what's so cool about all this is the fact that there were so many companies that decided they were going to get in the diving business. So there was a whole plethora of different companies that were making scuba dive gear to make money, basically. But so many of them went by the wayside. I mean, you got Waterlong, Royal Masters, of course, Aqualung. So only a few are actually in business to this day. Now these are more modern. You've got the AGA masks, low volume, 2 low volume AGA masks. Again, beauty of these, got oral nasal. You could actually hook comms to these. So, which was always, it was good and as bad. It wasn't really good for air consumption, but they were fun to use.
Thank you.
You're welcome, you guys. Enjoy your time here.
Thank you.
Have fun.
The cowling pack on this guy. This was a popular thing for a while. Decor used to make these as well. And again, more for looks than function.
How they weight them down?
Supposed to be a little more streamlined.
Where those will work. Safety. Yeah. Yeah.
I am protected.
John, can I film your mug real quick? Can I film your mug? Can I film your face?
Okay,
cool.
yeah.
Yeah, and this is the proprietor here, John Council.
John Council.
And John is, we're out here on San Clemente Island. No, I'm sorry, Catalina, excuse me. I'll get my islands right. Catalina. And John runs this place. And man, what an exhibit, dude.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Fantastic. I just love it. It's a shame you don't have more space though, right?
Well, that's always the thing. But you know, I've learned to be thankful for what I have and not complain about what I don't.
Take what you got. That's exactly right.
I'm right next to the dive park. I celebrated 250,000 visitors just several weeks ago, and I'm already 2,100 people past that now.
Wow, that's awesome.
So a lot of bodies come through here, and everybody walks out knowing a little bit more about dive history than when they walked in. So that's what it's all about.
Dude, that's awesome. So if folks out there get a chance to come here, like I said, John's the man. What are your hours here?
10 to 5.
10 to 5 Monday.
7 days a week.
7 days a week, 10 to 5. You got to stop. And the name of it, if they were looking.
Avalon Diving History Exhibit.
Avalon Diving History Exhibit. You guys got to come and check this out. This is really cool.
Or you can check it out on Facebook under Avalon Diving History Exhibit or ADHE, and you can sign up and you can get tutorials on all of this equipment and all the different early divers and learn about diving history.
There you go. And John also works with the Historic Diving Society as well. I think I said
Correct.
that right? Yeah. And those folks are a wealth of knowledge, especially for you guys out there, divers, who are interested in not just the history of diving, but how this stuff actually works. So who knows? It may be the next greatest breakthrough in underwater apparatus is revising some old bit of tech. So, all right, appreciate it. Thanks. And
Hydropack.
right.
And that's one of those guys that's up on the wall over there with the brown mask and the regulator inside.
Okay. Yeah. See, yeah, it looks like kind of like a Jack Brown mask.
Yeah, and they were like $300+ back in 1954.
Yeah, big money.
Yeah, so a lot of money, and the Navy ordered some out of money. And so they never really sold that many, and they tried opening it up.
Of depth gauges here. I mean, just look at this. And then you've even got the old, this was the old decompression meters here. I'm always familiar with the one from Scuba Pro, but then there's one from SOS. And of course, Heathways, they're not to be beat. Heathways used to make a whole product line as well. Very cool.
Oh, yeah. So, I mean, you're welcome to do that if you feel comfortable.
Oh, look at this. Look at that regulator. Look at this. This is like a hand. This looks like a piece of brass. That is so cool. Oh, and this is something the SEAL Museum would love to have too. The old UDT, you got the coral booties in here. You got your ammo pouch. All it's missing is the.
Sure. Yeah. Sounds good. Yeah.
Do I get 50% of everything I collect for donations?
I would say do 75%.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
It's the old Momsen escape along here for submariners. All you're missing here is the. Dude, all you're missing is the haversack here for the UDT.
Yeah, isn't that fun?
Oh, dude, this is awesome.
Have a history of the
Well, thanks for coming back.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, it's a great assortment of
It's old, that's for sure.
cameras and lights. Look at these housings. Fantastic.
They said they do once a year, every
Yeah, every year.
Hey guys, how are you?
November.
yeah. Well, good.
We're about almost ready. We're going to pack all this stuff up and take to your place. I think you'll be able to check in pretty soon. Did they give you a key yet, or?
Yep, I've got everything.
No.
Oh, nice.
Check in. Yep.
Whenever you're ready, Andy.
Is it at 3?
No, right now.
Oh, you can
Yeah.
now? Okay, as soon as these guys clear out with this, I'll shut the door and I'll come back. We're gonna throw all the stuff in the truck and then run over.
You know a lot? I mean, you guys,
They're a neat system. They,
The newt suit.
yeah, they're the next generation of a new suit, so they're the exosuit, and from Phil Newton's company. And Phil Newton's kind of a legend in the commercial and sat diving commercial world. And there also has been a guy responsible for building lots of different ADS, which are atmospheric diving system craft, over the years. And so he's
And this is Phil Newton's Newco Deep Worker. Now this is just a mock-up, but you can appreciate what it looks like in terms of full scale.
each other, you know, pulling in and tying up and stuff. I would have no chance at all.
that's great.
And you know, all the little harbors you pull into, you know, all the stuff, you know, all the restaurants, all the places, it was great.
Did they do like they did in Turkey where they have
And this is the flyaway kit here with the bottles, fins. Basically, it's all self-contained. If you were going to do a dive,
flag out? Tells the sailors.
it all gets shipped in that case.
So it's
Right there. Very cool. Jacques Cousteau and Emilio Gagin.
Just up high.
get all this you get out of the scrubbers. This is how many hours you can get. So you can't make this kind of trip. And so finally they're satisfied that this is okay and everything's kind of settled out now.
High tech here. You got a warning light here.
You know, if you're,
in the mask.
If you're planning a Turkish rug, you know, you
I
gotta
guess
have
if you have your air
that
supply
so
cut
they
off.
say,
Oh,
okay,
oh no! In
one
case
of
you get
these
low
guys
air warning
that's
light.
with AK-47,
built into the
this is,
mask
I don't
here.
know, some Croat
Cool,
guy,
so-
he's got a unibrow, it's about this thick.
Got the old Mark V helmet.
I mean, direct descendant from
Abalone
Croat.
diving here.
And I just go, this guy, he's not a problem.
There's a
solver,
real
right?
Mark
He's
V
a
Mod
guy
1.
It's
for mixed gas.
I'm thinking this guy's kind of scary.
It's got the mixed
So,
gas chamber in the back.
Anyway, we had a couple cups of
Top
tea.
side
It's
comms
3
box here.
or 3 in the
There's the
morning.
mixed
I get
gas.
tired, and this guy,
Back here.
Hey, guys,
Heliox.
more tea. I think I'm going.
A real heavy dress.
No, we're gonna have more tea. I go, I'm okay. You know, universal dive, I'm good. Room goes. In the water, fixed displacement, so that just, you know.
And there's
let me
John and
figure
Sylvia
out
Earle.
The pilot configuration and the weight for them, you know, either add or subtract some weight to them, and then they're neutral. And then you use the thruster motors to move it around in the water, and then you stop and just sort of hover there. Yeah. I mean, within reason, you do initially if you're starting your dive.
Silent film helmet. Only one of two in existence from the original 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. How's that? You're wearing that underwater. Whew. Hope you folks enjoyed this short one. I know our love of diving and everything diving related, we couldn't help ourselves but check this little museum out. But really like to thank the Historical Diving Society, and in particular, Mr. John Council, who runs this neat little museum. And as I said, it's free to the public, and it's open just about every day when you're out in Catalina. So by all means, come along and check it out. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.